Okay, this is just to show the new changes. All that I've done so far is I've just gone to File and I've launched my template creator. I've put in my settings that I wanted for it and everything's good. So we're going to now set the template boxes. As you can see now, when you drag the box, it's going to show you what we're working with. So when you click on that, it does show you're working with the address block, and when I click over here, it does show me I'm working with the first page constant. This makes it a little bit easier, which that was Mahesh's idea, which I actually think is a very good add-on to this. When you go to save a template now, I got to enter a template name and we're going to call it Vinny. Since this is running here, it's constantly monitoring the downloads folder. So if I click save here, it says, do I want to save this? And as soon as I click save, it says a new template located. Do you want to move this template to the template folder? I click yes. Now that automatically moved it to the template folder. So next time I went to add a new directory to monitor, if I select the template, you'll see that the template I just created is right in there. So it puts everything in the same location with the other templates. It's a kind of nice hook on that. But again, whenever anything is saved in the downloads folder, which is if you save anything from your web browser, it'll go there. The program actually catches it. So again, if I move a box, let's move that box back. Now we're going to save the changes. Call this one Vinny Test 123. So I click save again. And this, no way around it on Internet Explorer. Chrome does not pop this up, but it asks me, do you really want to save it? As soon as you click save, that's when it goes there, and that's when this pops up. So new template is located, we want to move it. Click yes, and then again, now anytime in the future that I want to add that template, it would be right in my template folder. So we should see the Vinny Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Other than that, everything I think is working very well. I've tried to test everything, no major issues, but I'm going to do a few more tests and then get all that, push this out, and we're going to do 2 different versions, I guess, and should be good to go. But I believe that finalizes the last of the actual modifications. I do have a couple more modifications now to do on a final push out with the C2M, but nothing that's going to hold up testing. So again, I'm trying to get everything as quickly as possible. This weekend we had a couple of snags where I couldn't do some testing due to the DNS was still pointed wrong, but like I said, I think everyone's got that all under control and everything looks like it's all good on my end. So alright, if there's any other questions, just shoot me an email, but I'm slowly but surely working on this, and I think tomorrow's everyone will have a Mac version and a Windows version and a Java version. So I'm going to send all 3 of those out, and we could all test accordingly. The Mac version and the Windows version are going to be hard-coded to work with the developer server, just so when I push things out, we could test it, and then once we think everything's good, then the developer versions of the Mac and the Windows will go away, and if we want to still test in developer mode, we'll use the Java version. Any other questions? Again, feel free to give me a yell. I'm sure I'm being confusing as anyone could possibly be, but yeah, just got a million things going on today, so I was trying to get all this stuff back up and running. Thanks.